This big pot in front of me is not stinky shit. It's the top street food in India, made of auspicious three treasures and the essence of heaven rich and earth, in 88 chemical full elements, of color and it's fragrance. Hard for you to take an inch. Eat 2 bites to lose 1.5 kilogram. My brother took out a delicate plastic bag. 1 lump is written to add a lump of yellow. Sprinkle some unknown seasoning. Red bean paste. All 3 colors are awesome. You can start the Blood Demon Mountain Protection Array. Knead it. Rub it. Use professional massage techniques. Keep injecting soul into it. After making sure that it is rubbed into a paste. Even if a bag of leg stretching and staring pills squeeze is made. Before eating for better effect. Snack appetizer. A good day starts with breakfast. This pot of yellow soup, with 7 meats, it is a traditional breakfast on the streets of India. Onion, green chili, cilantro, chutney made of various spices. Nutritious, clean, and hygienic. 1 pot. If you are afraid to eat, then be sure to invite your friends if it's not enough for him. There are also insole cakes here. Today our main focus is on the 5 words full. This is one in New Delhi, very India. Popular food. Open only 1-6 p.m. daily. Before the pot arrived, the surroundings. The boss is very calm, and the pot catches peanut oil on the iron pan. Pour in a lethal amount of onions. Then mix the tomatoes with sweat. Add infinite saltiness to it. Of course, fresh Ganges water is also essential. Golden left hand. The collection of the old 3 kinds of glazed knife techniques to infuse the soul. A shovel is recommended here. Everything is ready. Take out the shit stick and keep stirring like crazy. Half the fruit left after the frying. Hodgepodge is complete. I will give intangible praise for the tolerance of this pot. In order for the insole to fully absorb the ruthless iron hands to keep gathering iron. For fear of wasting a little essence. After 2 minutes, the insole is fully heated. Butt wipe operation. 3 cans of cakes flipped for times. All 6 noodles are stained with soup. Finally, took 2 more mouthfuls of risotto. Although hungry, insole cake. Freshly baked. 150 halogen contains ratio. 3 insole 3-bite risotto. Rich taste to supplement nutrition. From time to time, a small gift will be included and white. But it doesn't matter. Generally not a big problem. It will be done automatically. I have never been caught by the stall owner's brother. Getting food India is soulless. If it feels a bit salty when you eat it, that must be tasty. If you hear a cat talking to you, it must be food poisoning. After eating the insole cake, let's go on to dry Indian supper. Egg feast. Egg bag. Egg cover. Girlfriend sure likes it. First pull 2 pieces of butter on the iron 2 pan. Eggs. Dark incense operation injected the eggs into the soul. Better now. To ensure that food is pure, green and natural, healthy, the little brother keeps adding small gifts to his parents for customers. Stirring is complete. Wrapped in green film, unfolds on the iron pan. It's like a little sparrow skill. Soon, the eggs are fixed in a way that I don't recognize. Scratch the edges. Flip a flat bottom. The slime turned over keeps squirming. It's creepy. When the eggs are fried green the boss brown, waved his hand. Shovel up and put aside. You thought it was over? No, oh, the movie is just starting. Pull 2 lumps of butter and sprinkle the old 2 tablespoons of snot. Then dig another half bowl of butter. Sprinkle the soul marsala. Take out a blade knife and stir unknowingly outlegated. In order to allow customers to enjoy the experience. Add hand sweat to enrich the taste. But the colors gradually match, and then pour into a sprinkle with cream top red. Authentic. So authentic. Does this pot of water, urine bar soup, look like you with blood in the stool? A wave of fire harvests. The pot was washed clean. Take out a raw egg, break it with 1 hand, and stir well. In order to ensure the purity of the taste, you don't need to wait for the eggs to be fully fresh with before they come out of the pot. I fell on the lotus leaf and threw it aside. Dig 2 more lumps of butter. Turn on the cholesterol trio. First, have 2 eggs and a spoon. So here's the problem. I thought green eggs were the limit. I didn't expect to quarrel. I thought Baba was the bottom line. I didn't expect them to be stacked on top of each other. You never know. Which step does this egg take to eat? After nearly 30 traditional handicrafts, eggs gradually take shape. Take out the mineral-rich shaving machete. Roll the omelet into long strips like this and that. Put on plate. Exquisite plate sprinkled with heat bomb. And finally, piece of classic wok 4 ways to eat an egg. High society is very stylish. Finally, a last supper is done. Dang, dang, dang. Egg bag, egg omelet, plus brush pan, dirty bag. Well, the boss is so sweet. Grasping pickles supplements iron and warms the stomach. Vietnam introduced me to the beginning of food. India gave me a glimpse of what food eventually looks like. The quantity is large and affordable, and it can't be eaten to death. Are you greedy?